Hello everyone, so if you want to set up notifications on your Xiaomi Redmi 13, so first of all open up your settings, now you're to scroll down and tap for notifications and status bar, here they are. And here you can find a lot of settings actually. So the first one is lock screen notifications, float, and as for your lock screen, the settings will allow you to choose which notifications will appear on the lock screen. You can show everything or hide sensitive information, and so on and so on. Floating notifications, so this feature allows notifications to appear over the other apps as small pop-up windows. It usefully can be useful for quick responding to messages or reminders without closing the current app. And last but not least is message notifications. So enabling these options will show small badges on app icons indicating how many new notifications are there in the app. So your notification style section, here you can choose once again how will your notification look. So the classic Xiaomi like or an Android like. I have it on Android, however you can choose whatever you want to, right? Also pay attention to such options like show the number of notifications, and this option allows you to show the number of notifications on the status bar. Battery indicator, it's right here. So here you can turn on or configure the battery indicator, so you will always see your battery level. And connection speed, so here it is. You can enable it, and the settings will show you your internet connection speed in real time on the status bar. And that's it. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.